everybody! Okay, today I've got a really exciting video for you. 3 children in my class have been making bird feeders as part of their bird project, and they wanted to show you how to make them. So this video starts off with Izzy showing you how to make one of these plastic bottle bird feeders. Tennessee will then show you how to make a pinecone bird feeder and a special bird feeder which the birds can swing on. And then Amber ends the video by showing you how to make a macrame bird feeder using an orange and a string with the bird seed inside. So a really exciting video for you all to do, so you can get those bird feeders outside to attract the birds ready for your bird watching. I hope you're all okay. Enjoy the video, it's amazing. Take care, bye bye.
Hello, my name is Izzy and I'm going to be making a bird feeder and it's going to look like this.
Fantastic. Right, what do we need, Izzy?
We need a plastic bottle.
Yep.
You need 2 wooden spoons, some scissors to cut the holes, some bird seed and maybe a funnel. So first you get your plastic bottle and you get your scissors and you would cut holes in them. But first you'd have to mark out what bits you want to put them in.
Yeah.
You need to this is how you put the spoon in, you just put it like that. And you need to cut a bigger hole here so then the spoon can fit in like that and the bird can sit on there and then the food will come out.
Perfect.
And then you do the same on this one. And I've done it so that there's one on the top and one on the bottom so then the birds can social distance. So
what do we need to do next then? The fun bit.
I'd use a funnel.
Yep.
So I'm going to put it on here. Oh, and I'm going to put the...
Let me hold it for you so it doesn't fall.
Thank you. I'm going to put the seed through here. Oh, and remember to push your wooden spoons in. And then you just pour. I think it's stuck.
What do you think's blocking it?
I think a sunflower seed or a pea or something.
Oh! Filling up.
So I'm just going to add some more. It's stuck again. Just going to push it.
Good job, it's nearly there. It looks amazing.
Thank you. So put some more.
That's right.
Maybe that was too much.
Hopefully a sunflower seed will block it.
Yeah.
Nope.
Do you think...
You need to lift the funnel up a little bit, I think, and probably put it back in the jug.
Oh.
Oh, perfect!
So when it's filled up, you're going to need a lid. So Miss Cole, she drilled a hole in
It's a rhyme.
this. Yeah. And you just thread a bit of string through it and tie it at the ends.
Yeah, lovely.
And then you screw it on. She filled it up and you've hoovered the floor and the table because it's very messy. You should hang it outside somewhere, like on a tree in your garden or on a field or somewhere.
Lovely.
And it's really cool because the birds can stand here and eat something.
Yeah.
But if they don't want to eat anything, they can stand here.
And just perch. What birds are you hoping to see on it?
Well, I like blue tip.
Yeah.
So I hope a blue tip comes.
Fantastic. Thank you, Izzy.
Bye!
Hello, I'm Tennessee and I'm going to show you how to do a simple bird feeder. All you'll need is a pine cone, some string and some bird seed with lard, but mixed up.
Makes a nice sticky mess, doesn't it?
So first of all, you need to tie the string onto the pine cone.
Yeah.
And then get your bird seed and lard and just push it into the pine cone. And when you've been doing that, keep going over the same bit until it's all finished, like that one there.
What does that feel like, Tennessee?
Feels weird. Crunchy.
Does it feel like slime?
Yeah.
So what bird are you hoping is going to land on your bird feeder?
Well, I went for a woodpecker.
Oh!
And also a buzzard or something.
Wow. Wouldn't it be amazing
And-
if we saw those?
And a blue tit.
And a blue tit like Izzy.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So once that's all covered, what are you going to do with it?
You put it in the freezer,
Yeah, or in the
And-
fridge, yeah.
and when it's done, you take it out and then you go outside and hang it on the tree so the birds can have it.
Fantastic. Thank you, Tennessee. Go.
For this one, you're going to be making a toilet roll swing feeder where all you'll need is some string, some toilet roll cardboard, some bird feed mixed with lard in, and all you do is you get the roll and you get a little bit of bird feed, because if you put too much on it will fall off. So you just keep adding it on until the entire thing's finished. So when it's finished, it'll look like that one on the wall,
Why do you think the birds will enjoy that one?
because it's like a little swing they can play on at the park.
Yeah, it is. Thank you so much, Tennessee. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Amber and I'm going to show you how to make a macrame orange bird feeder for the birds. First of all, you're going to get your string, which is 4 pieces, that's just over a metre. So once it's folded in half, you're going to get your loop bit and you're going to wrap it around your finger and you're going to tie a knot so wherever you can hang it, you can like hang it in your garden or in the tree.
Good girl. Yep.
Or anywhere where you're going to hang it. It doesn't really matter where you hang it.
Good job, Amber. Look at that. Well done.
So you've got this little bit at the top.
Well done.
And then you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of string. And then you're going to take 2 of them and then you're going to tie a knot about here.
About 20 centimetres down, isn't it?
Yeah.
About that far down. So you're getting good at your knotting now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Good girl.
And you're going to tighten it by pulling the string. Then you're going to get your next 2, but they have to be like, if you say that you did these 2, that wouldn't work. So you have to do the ones that are next to each other.
Fantastic.
So I do these 2.
Yeah.
And then you can use this knot to help you figure out where you're going to put your next knot.
That's a really good idea.
It's going to be about here. So you might not get it exactly accurate, but if you can get it as close as it can, it doesn't really matter.
Good job.
So I've tied it. So as you can see, I've got 4 knots, and now you're going to take 2 of them, the 2 that are closest, and you're going to take the inside parts, like these bits, and then you're going to go a little bit down it, and you're going to tie the knot again. Ooh. This is what it should look like of the thing, and then you're going to get the next one that's next to this one, and you're going to get the inside bit again, and you're just going to knot it again, and it's roughly about there, so about here. And then you're going to knot it like that. Oh. And then that one,
Look at
that one looks like. And then you're going to get this one and knot it this one. So it should be there. Might need it to go a little bit higher, but... yeah. So it's a little bit lower, but I'm sure that will be fine. Then you're going to do your last one and knot it here. So
Are you glad you chose this one to make?
Yeah, it's like I thought it was going to be really hard, but it looked really pretty on the picture.
Yeah.
So I wanted to try and do it. And so this is what it looks like at the minute. Then what you're going to do is, and you're going to take it and you're going to knot it at the bottom.
Good girl. Your last knot.
Yeah.
You fed up on knots.
A bit. I've done this quite a few times. Ooh.
Wiggle that one in.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Where's it gone here? Right, in you go. Ooh. There's a little bit sticking out, but I'm sure that won't matter.
We can wiggle that in at the end.
Yeah, and then you're gonna get your orange. So if you put that down, we're gonna do. We're gonna get a lard and birdseed mixture. And we're gonna just take some a little bit at a time, because then you don't want to put too much in. If you have a lot, you won't be able to squeeze it all in. So if you get a little bit in at a time, and then
What does that smell like, Amber?
oh, it smells like an orangey, birdseedy, lardy. Not very nice.
It looks nice though.
Yeah. Then you're going to put your orange and birdseed mixture into the macrame like this. It's a little bit fiddly, so you might need someone to hold it up like I have. And then, voila! You've got your macrame orange birdseedy sort of creation for a bird.
It looks amazing.
Yeah.
Well done, Amber. Where are you going to hang it?
We're probably going to hang it on the field.
Fantastic.
For the birds.
And what birds would you like to see on your bird feeder?
I'd like to see a robin or a woodpecker.
Fantastic. Thank you, Amber.
Bye.
Bye.